What's up, y'all? Cam and Chris.
Chris and Cam.
Back again.
Ooh.
Chief Keef, birds.
Wow.
You love birds, right?
No, I do not like birds.
Why?
Because you can't fight a bird. You can't do nothing to a bird. They get you all in your head, all in your face. Just come up, flap.
Fight a bird.
Flap in your face. I don't like birds. And we had little birds, parakeets and stuff. They used to get out and have to, oh no.
What about the pigeons?
And please no pigeons, because they ain't spelling nothing.
Yeah. On the maid.
They're just a seagull.
Oh my goodness.
Say on the maid. Yeah. Why you say you run your block, nigga? They say you don't run it. Brought some for your partners just in case you don't want it. Just need the quarterback just in case he gon' run it. Told that little hoe no just in case she want money. Need my 50 cent, bitch, I get.
He told her no in advance,
Yeah.
just in case she wants some money.
Yeah. Hey.
Need my 50 cent, bitch, I get Frigo money. Wrong for them chips, skirt, Frito coming. She stay in West Hollywood, she got Pico money. We don't fuck with snakes, got a beans, Rigo coming. Oh, so don't call me, bitch. He ducking smoke, call him Smokey, bitch. Food in the mall, got samples, bitch. Make you skinny like Auntie Tama, bitch. They don't understand a nigga grandma. Polo on, I feel like I'm Wilma. I stay on alert
Like a Wilma.
Yeah. What? He said what like Wilma?
They don't understand a nigga grandma. Polo on, I feel like I'm Wilma.
Hold
I
on.
stay on alert like I am. We ain't gotta do that shit in front of the camera.
Okay.
She ain't know a beast could be handsome. I don't know Nino, but you cancel. Bitch, I go on a run like a hamster. I'll be in the grass like a camper. For them dirty hoes, I got the hamper.
Oh.
For this type of shit, I got the
And
pampers.
he said for the dirty O's, he got the hamper.
Got the hamper.
Wow.
For them dirty hoes, I got the hamper. Yeah. For this type of shit, I got the pampers.
Oh, wow.
You ain't a sight, you ain't got the answers. Boom, bitch. My last name is Blamsy. This that trap shit. You ain't never even sold a club of six. Never got clapped with a max stick. 12 in the litter like cash shit. School called mom cause I was absent. You know I got about 50 in the magic stick. Shorty now I'm still be on that savage shit. Used to steal on clothing stores just grabbing shit. Ain't gotta say nothing, I just bag a bitch. Grab a body bag and I bag a bitch. She got some pretty toes, I'ma tag the bitch.
Oh.
Like Michael Lopez, she on that extra shit.
Toe tag.
Sipping all this mud, I'm on my Texas shit. Shit on all my ops, I know they extra pissed. Contemplate no shit, they drop an extra disc. Do they ass dirty and they fresh as fit. Kick them hoes out, we finna blast some shit. Whatever you do, Bernie, just don't crash this bitch. Oh, you like Nina's, welcome, give her a kiss. You be the type of nigga that be scared of a bitch. Tino got caught Toronto with 6 sticks.
Tato got caught with what? 6 sticks.
They be scared of a bitch. Tino got caught Toronto with 6 sticks.
Got caught in Toronto with 6 sticks.
So that's the bird sound in the back. I'm hearing right, the bird sound.
Tino got caught Toronto with 6 sticks.
That's a pigeon sound.
That's a mouse bird, not a mockingbird. That's a dragon bird, sound like a hummingbird.
You say your dragon breath like a hummingbird. Down low.
That's my phone ringing, don't even worry about it. Trying to tell me something, I already heard about it. That's the yearest truck, when it's backing up. Boy, you full of shit, and it's backing up. That's that cash.
bang bang though.
That's the avalanche. Cause you run up on me. Somebody sent you off. Somebody got you off.
Somebody sent you off.
Real niggas get caught too. They get hit with my boot. Niggas trying to get my scoop. That's where I was getting 3 scoops.
That's funny.
Okay.
Went straight into the next video. I ain't give me a
no. You,
damn. And
you went all the way to
where I
the
could
end.
say,
You usually stop, right? But you
and
all
that's why I
into
be
it.
stopping.
You be all, I thought you was all into this one.
Right, he was. I didn't know if I was
kinds
coming or going. No, that was a good one, man. He was funny on that. As far as the lyrics.
Good.
I don't know if I liked the beat and all that, but he was.
What? It was okay.
It was okay.
Yeah,
I wanted it to be cold.
Yeah, it's birds.
That whole little line where he went from pamper to hamper to what else he say? Pamper.
Pamper and pamper.
Camper.
He was
I be in the grass like a camper.
I don't know what else
he said. I be in Florida like Tampa.
No,
he didn't say that. I just added that.
Just,
but good one though. Cold blooded, maybe.